औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अहबाब कैसे हैं? मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आइल्स स्पीकिंग के दो बहुत ही अहम टॉपिक्स आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। एक है रोबोट्स और दूसरा टॉपिक है हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी। ये स्पोकन इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी बड़ा अहम है जो कि अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग को इम्प्रूव करना चाह रहे हैं, और ख़ास तौर पर जो इंटरमीडिएट लेवल या एडवांस लेवल की इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाह रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए ये वीडियो बड़ी मुफीद है। तो आइए बग़ैर वक्त ज़ाया किए शुरू करते हैं। तो इसका पहला जो क्वेश्चन हमारे सामने आता है वो है, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट रोबोट्स? व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट robots? I think a robot is a machine, an automatically operated machine that replaces human efforts, though it may not resemble human beings in appearance or performance or perform functions in a human-like manner. वो कहता है कि ये है तो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑपरेटेड मशीन है, एंड जिसने इंसानी एफ़र्ट्स को, इट हैज़ रिप्लेस्ड ह्यूमन एफ़र्ट्स, इंसानी कोशिशों को रिप्लेस कर दिया है। देर आर रोबोट्स दैट आर वर्किंग इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स ऑफ लाइफ, बट दे मे नॉट रिजेंबल ह्यूमन बींग्स इन अपेयरेंस। कहता है कि हो सकता है कि शक्ल में ये नहीं हो सकता है कि वो न मिलते हों इंसानों से, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इट इज़ ट्रू टुडे, because there are some instances of the robots that are actually the boon of artificial intelligence, जो कि अतियाँ हैं या गिफ्ट हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का, दैट नाउ डेज देर आर सम इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ रोबोट्स विच आई एक्चुअली केम अक्रॉस ऑन सोशल मीडिया and some other places that work very much like human beings, and also they resemble the human beings in their appearance, and also in their response, and when you ask some question they respond you in a human like manner. So that is really surprising. Next question है, do you like to work with the robots? Do you like to work with robots? क्या आप रोबोट्स के साथ काम करना पसंद करते हैं? Of course I like to work with the robots because I am so much curious. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूरियस हूँ. There is so much curiosity in my mind. I want to know how robots behave. I want to observe them from the close quarters. मैं उनके बिल्कुल करीब से उन्हें देखना चाहता हूँ. इसके अलावा अगर आप इसका जवाब इसके अगेंस्ट देते हैं तो फिर आप ये कह सकते हैं कि सॉरी, आई डोंट लाइक टू वर्क विद रोबोट्स. मैं रोबोट्स के साथ काम करना पसंद नहीं करता, बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट वाइल वर्किंग विद द रोबोट्स आई विल फील बोरिंग, बिकॉज आई want to work with the human beings who I want to exchange my ideas with, who I want to share my feelings with. But on the other hand, the robots, I feel that they are very much like machines. And at the same time, I don't like to work with the robots because I don't feel comfortable while working with the robots. Next question है, why people like to use robots in their homes? Why people like to use robots in their homes? कुछ लोग अपने घरों में रोबोट्स को इस्तेमाल करना क्यों पसंद करते हैं? I don't think so that there are many people who like to use robots in their homes. There are hardly some people who wish to have robots in their homes. And now the question is that why they like to have robots in their homes. There may be multifarious reasons behind it. Multifarious कहते हैं ना, मुख्तलिफ. Perhaps, शायद, they like to use robots in their homes because they may be curious like I am. हो सकता है मेरी तरह वो मुतजस्सिस हूँ. they may have the curiosity, उनके साथ यानी वो तजस्सुस उनके अंदर हो. And they believe that the robots can facilitate them. वो उनको फैसिलिटेट करते हैं, आसानी पैदा करते हैं. They can help them doing different kind of activities. And परहैप्स दे वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ देयर टॉयल, टॉयल कहते हैं हार्ड वर्क को, TOIL, टॉयल मशक्क़त को, बाय यूजिंग द रोबोट्स इन देयर होम्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वाई सम पीपल आर रिलक्टेंट टू यूज़ रोबोट्स इन देयर वर्क? वाई सम पीपल आर रिलक्टेंट टू यूज़ रोबोट्स इन देयर वर्क? कि कुछ लोग जो हैं वो अपने घरों में या अपने काम में रोबोट्स का इस्तेमाल करने में क्यों आमादा नहीं होते या हिचकिचाते हैं। रिलक्टेंट का मतलब होता है आमादा ना होना या हिचकिचाना। आई थिंक people are reluctant to use robots in their work due to several reasons, because the robots are not as advanced enough. They believe that robots are not advanced enough to perform their duties well, or at the same time they may not rely on the robots fully, and yet another reason could be that the robots are so expensive, so it is not easy to afford or easy to buy a robot or to get a robot. What are the advantages of robots? What are the advantages of robots? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि जो रोबोट्स हैं इनके क्या फ़ायदे? There are several advantages of robots. Robots are being used in the industries, and they are really working very effectively, especially in the vehicles or car or other huge machines, manufacturing machines, or huge car manufacturing industries or factories. As they can work even in the hard situations, even they can work at the situations or at the positions or the places where it may not be possible for the humans to work. And especially the robots are really lifting very heavy machinery, which we generally observe in the car manufacturing factories, that the robots lift the different parts of the new cars, and they really help them manufacture, and their speed is also they work faster than the human beings. And thirdly, one robot may work in replace of 10, 20 and maybe 30 human beings, and maybe more than that. इससे अगला क्वेश्चन है कि आर देयर एनी डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ रोबोट्स? आर देयर एनी डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ रोबोट्स? क्या रोबोट्स के कुछ नुकसानात भी हैं? यस, वेयर रोबोट्स हैव सेवरल एडवांटेजेस and several good points, they also have some disadvantages or some bad points. Robots are actually automated machines or electronic devices. They sometimes they may do a lot of errors, and secondly they are so much expensive to afford them, and thirdly, it is generally believed that they may replace the human beings in future. So this is how they will cause a large number of unemployment, जिसकी वजह से ये भी मुमकिन है कि वो बड़े पैमाने पर बेरोज़गारी का भी बायस बनेंगे. And also another disadvantages of working with the robots is, or to having robot, is that they are still at the stage of if I say infancy, metaphorically speaking, they are still at the stage of infancy. मतलब वो अभी भी अगर देखा जाए तो वो बहुत शीरखारगी वाली उम्र में है. So they are not advanced enough to fully replace the human beings. So their working performance is not as advanced as befitting as those of the human beings. Next question है, would you ever buy a robot? Would you ever buy a robot? क्या आप ज़िंदगी में कभी रोबोट ख़रीदेंगे? ठीक है, ठीक है। अब अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन पास के लिहाज से भी हो सकता है, लेकिन पास के लिहाज से मैं इसको नहीं अभी डिस्कस कर रहा, क्योंकि वुड का इस्तेमाल पास्ट में कोई रूटीन में अगर कोई चीज़ करते हूँ तो उसके लिए भी होता है। तो एनीवे, अगर मैं इसको फ्यूचर के सेंस में लेता हूँ कि वुड यू एवर बाय अ रोबोट इन फ्यूचर? yes, I am so much curious to know about robot or robots. I want to know how they work, how they perform, and how they behave like the human beings. And especially when I saw different robots on social media that were actually manufactured by different companies, they are very much performing like the human beings. And this is basically the boon of artificial intelligence. So definitely I would buy a robot in the future if it is affordable. But at present it is not possible because the robots are so much expensive. Do you think robots should drive a car? Do you think robots should drive a car? I don't think so that the robots should drive a car. There are some instances where we observed that there were some robots that were driving a car, but they were making the test drives, and I don't think so that the robots are advanced enough to drive a car like the human beings, because there are different kind of situations where you have to make decision. You come across there are hundreds of thousands of millions of different kind of situations about which man has the ability to take decision. On the other hand, the robots can only perform those functions that they are programmed with. So we know that the robots are not programmed with all kind of situations. While driving, we may come across some animal before us, like giraffe, like hippo, maybe like a bull. At the same time, there may be a tree before a driver, I mean robot driver. There may be a tree in the road. In the like manner, sometimes there may be some unexpected situation, and the situations about which the robots might not have been programmed with. So that I don't think so that the robots should drive a car. So that's the end of our part 1. Part 1 in the sense the questions related to robots. जी, जो नेक्स्ट हमारा टॉपिक आ गया टेक्नोलॉजी। तो टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन हैं उनको डायरेक्टली हम डिस्कस करते हैं। तो डू यू यूज़ टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस एट होम? डू यू यूज़ टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस एट होम? क्या आप टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस घर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स आई यूज़ सेवरल टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस एट होम, सच एज द सेल फोन्स, सच एज द टैब्स, such as the laptops, computers, and nowadays the refrigerator, the ovens, and also there are so many technological devices at homes which we people use in our day-to-day lives. Next question है कि do you think technological devices are useful? क्या आपके ख्याल में जो technological devices हैं क्या वो मुफीद हैं? Of course they are so much useful. They are helping human beings in several ways. For example, there are electronic devices such as the cell phones. They are really helping us to make conversation or to talk to and make not only the voice calls but also the video calls with our dear and near ones living in different parts of the world. At the same time, we have the refrigerators that are also technological device, and they are really helping us to preserve our foods for the longer use. In the like manner, there are home appliances such as the juicer mixers and automated even the air conditions. So all these things are basically the boon of modern technology, and they are really so much useful. We have the laptops, we have the computer, and also we have the jackpots and so forth and so forth. So they are really benefiting us in several ways. Are there any disadvantage or disadvantages of technological devices? Where the technological devices have several advantages, they are facilitating the human beings in many ways. They also have some disadvantages too, such as our reliance on these technological devices have got us rid of or did us away with our past life, with our indigenous life, जो हमारी वो देसी ज़िंदगी गुजारने का तरीका था. And so much reliance on technological devices also have our lives made our lives so much complicated and suffocated. For example, they need electricity. So when we need to use the electronical technological devices at the place where we don't have the electricity, for example, or some other source of energy, so it may not possible for us to work them or to use them, to work with them or to use them. In the like manner, if there is some technical error in the internet service, for example, so we may not be able to use the electronic devices that rely on the internet. And hardly there are hardly there are technological devices that do not rely on internet nowadays. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि हु यूजेस टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस मोर, men or women? Who uses technological devices more, men or women? I think nowadays I don't think so that there is any gender difference when it comes to the use of technological devices. But overall, if you have to differentiate between the gender basis, who uses the technological devices more, so I believe that in most cases the women are they are down to the earth, so they may use the technological devices that are they mostly need in their day-to-day lives. But on the other hand, men mostly rely on the technological devices for their day-to-day activities, and also there is so much competition among men in possessing more and advanced technological devices. Do you think people really need technological devices, or they buy due to the power of advertisement? Do you think people really need technological devices, or they buy due to the power of advertisement? क्या आपके ख्याल में लोगों को वाकई टेक्नोलॉजिकल डिवाइसेस की ज़रूरत होती है, या फिर एडवर्टाइजमेंट की इतनी ताकत है इश्तिहारबाजी के कि मशहूरगियों की वजह से, इश्तिहारात की वजह से, कि वो ख़रीदने पे मजबूर हो जाते हैं? I think both the things play in their role. Of course, people really need technological devices, because nowadays I think there is nobody who can do without technological devices, or do without the use of technological devices. Do without होता है कि बगैर रहना, तो ये नहीं कि वो रह नहीं सकते. मतलब वो रह नहीं सकते. So but also we generally observe that advertisement also plays very remarkable role. So the advertisers, they play with the psyche of the people. They keep on advertising different things in such an attractive way that they make the people buy those things which they already have. But the thing is, they want to have the new version of, new model of, new electronical devices. So this is how this is the case. Next question is, what is your favorite technological device? What is your favorite technological device? My favorite technological device is cell phone, because I believe that most of the time I use my cell phone. So whenever I have free time, I use my cell phone. For example, I use social media, and I browse different social media websites. I have social media accounts on Twitter, on WhatsApp, on YouTube, and LinkedIn, and so forth and so forth. And at the same time, the cell phone also helps me in enhancing my business, in enhancing my work. So my favorite technological device is my cell phone. And that is the end of our second topic, technology or technology.